you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. I'm making me that I need you. No more walking by that's when I feel.
For sure, my brother.
Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Told me I'm someone. Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.
In our house, we believe that
Close to your love. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Hollywood. Close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you leave for me. God, just tell me what you need from me.
Picture on my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Try to stand on my knees, go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it is?
This one really smells bad, so I can't. There's something wrong with it. So I'm gonna try this one again.
The reason why you always on my mind. You come around like this, I see you, and I see you. Baby, we're high. Never hope you might walk by. So I gotta be right on time. I see you, and I see you. I scribble X and O's in my notebook, checking how my hair and my nails look. I put myself in the zone, get nervous when you go. I say I'm not home. See your face, and I hear my favorite song. Should I send an email at home? You're the number one topic on the phone. I wonder if you know, or do you have a clue? Yeah. I lay my head on my pillow, and you got me staring out the window. We're showing stars outside.
Did my brows as well. I didn't wash my face and I'm having a heat rush situation going on, but by tomorrow it would have healed proper. So yeah, just tinting my brows as well. I'm so tired. Oh my god. I know my skin this well. Good morning, guys. I've been up since 5 a.m. Sadie's still sleeping, so we'll talk later. Look at how dusty my tripod is. My tripod is very dusty. You can clearly tell that I've been out of touch with creating. Yeah, that's about to change. What I'm gonna do right now is why are my eyes looking like this? I'm gonna dust it off and we'll get started on the day.
I know it can be mentally and physically challenging coming back to a workout routine after a long break. Today
guys. I'm so tired. Yo, even if I'm trying to like be strong, get tired. What are you doing?
I'm playing the PS.
Okay.
I'm eating popcorn.
All right. So yeah,
I'm
set up
playing
again.
beach game.
Yeah. Hey guys, it's later on and I am just chilling basically. I have finished cleaning, and when I say cleaning, it was really just washing dishes and mopping the floors. One thing about my mom, she spring cleans on Fridays, so Saturdays there's not much to do except for laundry. So yeah, I'm having popcorn. I made some popcorn for Sadie and I. So I'm just having popcorn and Sadie's playing PS and I'm watching vlogs. That's my Saturday. That's my Saturday today. Yeah. I'm watching
Everybody is literally
Sandra.
happy for me.
Love,
I don't know,
love,
do I
love.
look cute
I love
enough
her
for people to be
vlogs.
happy for me, or maybe
Let me
I'm
just show
just
you guys
attracting
her.
positive energy?
Yes.
I kind of like don't know.
You see.
I like literally,
guys can
I
see
don't
her.
know, man. I don't know, but I like it. They should continue being happy for me, and as everyone is just happy for me. Everyone is
There it
just
is.
smiling for
Oh,
me.
Charlie.
And
Charlie. So yeah.
like, I think
I'm gonna chill.
today,
Let me show you how much of a grandma I am. I'm having popcorn
today,
and my cup of tea is
and
there.
go to the mall, and then
So
now
yeah.
people are like,